Good morning, llamas. I hope you all are doing well. I've missed you so much. Um, I hope you enjoyed circle time with Miss Espartero yesterday, learning about insects and the different body parts. And you even got to see Miss Espartero wear her really cool bug hat with the big eyes and the antennas. Pretty neat. I hope you guys enjoyed making your own as well. My daughter and I are going to make one too, and I'll send you a picture of it when we're done. So yesterday was Monday. So what does that mean today is? Sunday, Monday. That's right, it's Tuesday. So it's story time. So I've got a cool story for you today. Let's see here. It is The Wolf Who Wanted to Be a Superhero. All right, let's hear about this wolf that wanted to be a superhero. By Orianne, Lallemand. Looking into the mirror one morning, the wolf came up with an idea. What if he became a superhero? It would be fantastic, cried the wolf. I'd have an amazing costume, I'd save people, and everyone would love me. Deep down, the wolf also believed that his sweetheart Wolfette would be very proud of him. Now, if you're going to be a superhero, you'll need a super name. What should I call myself? Spider Wolf? No, I hate spiders. Well, like Miss Espartero doesn't like spiders. Bat Wolf? Super Wolf? No, that's too obvious. I know, I'll be super extra fabulous, exclaimed the wolf. And if you're going to be a superhero, you need a super costume. Wolf went to Miss Yeti's house. She was an outstanding seamstress. Let's see what Miss Yeti can cook up for our superhero. Hello, TT, said the wolf. Can you make me a superhero costume, please? You, a superhero? Teased Miss Yeti. And what superpowers do you have? The wolf thought for a moment and then answered, I'd make villains laugh so much that they'd be unable to fight, and I'd beat them easily. Miss Yeti laughed so hard that she almost brought the house down. A bit worried, the wolf thought that he'd need to learn to control his superpower, lest somebody should get hurt. Still crying with laughter, Miss Yeti made the wolf a super mind-boggling costume. It had wings just in case he needed to fly. One never knows with you, she said. With his matching mask and cape, the wolf really was super handsome. He is super handsome and ready to roll. Now dressed for action, the wolf went for a walk in the forest. He couldn't wait to see what people would think. He had only been walking for a few minutes when he came face to face with Big Louis. Hi, Wolf, his friend smiled. Are you on your way to a fancy dress-up party? You are mistaken, sir, answered the wolf in a husky voice. My name is Super Extra Fabulous, and I'm a superhero. I beg your pardon, sir, exclaimed Big Louis. But if you truly are a superhero, shouldn't you be super strong? Indeed, replied the wolf, puffing out his chest. Well, in that case, could you help me tidy up this pile of wood? I'm a little weak, you know. The wolf thought Big Louis was taking it a bit far, but Last but not least, to be a superhero, you need someone to save. On his way, the wolf helped two snails cross the road and brought a baby bird which had fallen out of its nest back to its parents. This is all very nice, the wolf thought to himself, but it's high time I found a mission worthy of me. And at that very moment, he heard some shouting. Without a second's hesitation, our brave wolf charged through the trees and ended up by the river. Wolfette and her friends were playing with a ball in the water. "Throw it my way, shouted Wolfette. In the blink of an eye, the wolf dived in and pulled his sweetheart Wolfette onto the riverbank. "What's wrong with you, wolf?" she yelled. "We were only having fun." "Oh, sorry," whimpered the wolf. "I thought you were drowning." And screaming made it. Ooh, this one's a little different. Mortified, the wolf quickly vanished. That certainly wasn't the way to impress Wolfette. He had to make up for it and do something really dramatic. But what? Looking up, the wolf spotted Joshua. Poor boy, he was stuck at the top of a tree. "Hold on, Joshua, I'm coming," shouted the wolf. The wolf threw himself on the tree, which started to bend under the onslaught until, crack, bang, boom! The two friends fell into the air. Our wolf spread his wings a little too late, unfortunately. "What's come over you, wolf?" sighed Joshua. "You've broken my new binoculars." "I thought you were in danger. I wanted to save you," explained the wolf. "I'm a superhero." "You mean a super hazard," grumbled Joshua. Head bowed, the wolf dawdled his way down to the river. He had had enough of playing superheroes. It was a complete debacle. Near the water, Big Lewis's small boat was swaying softly. Our poor wolf slipped inside and fell asleep straight away. What a bad idea this proved to be. While he was sleeping, the wind picked up and dragged the small boat, which wasn't tied properly, into the current. The wolf woke with a jolt, tossing wildly, the boat swirling all over the place. "Oh, my!" He was in real trouble this time. On the riverbank, his friends were panicking and calling for him. "Oh, no, he doesn't have any oars," said a distressed Wolfette. "There's a waterfall just over those trees. He's going to drown. We must help him." "But how?" asked Valentine. "He's far away." But Wolfette had already sprung into action. As quick as lightning, Wolfette dashed along the riverbank. She climbed nimbly up a tree and waited for the boat to pass below her. She let herself fall and landed on the wolf. What are you doing here?" cried the wolf, flabbergasted. "I'm here to save you," screamed Wolfette. "Come on, you paddle on one side and I'll take the other." The two wolves paddled together with all their strength in their paws, and little by little the boat came closer to the shore. When they were nearly there, Valentine rushed over to help them. Whew! They were safe and sound. The wolf took Wolfette's paw sheepishly. "Thanks, Wolfette. You saved my life," he whispered. "I wanted to be your superhero, but I messed it up." "You already are my hero," replied Wolfette. "I I love you just the way you are, with all your faults and all your qualities. The end. Oh, I think it's the end. Oh, no, just kidding. Not the end. One more page left. The wolf took Wolfette's paws. Oh, just kidding. I read that already. Maybe it is the end, friends. I think this page is stuck together. It was. But it is the end. Ta-da! The end. See, Wolf wanted to be a superhero, but then to impress Wolfette, but Wolfette ended up saving him, didn't she? Was that a good story? Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to our science experiment on Thursday, but yesterday was Monday. You did circle time with Miss Espartero. Today's Tuesday, story time, and tomorrow we get to see another video from Miss Espartero, right? Another circle time. So I'm looking forward to watching that. And then I will see you on Thursday again for our science video. Okay? I love you all so much, and I hope you are staying well, washing your hands, and being really good listeners for Mommy and Daddy. And I want you guys to do a really good job during circle time and turn your listening ears and watch and listen to Miss Espartero tomorrow morning. Can you do it? I knew you could. I love you so much, and I will see you Thursday for our science experiment. See you soon. Bye.